It's me, Jimmy. So finally, I found a USH-II USB-C and USB-A SD card reader. Yes, this one is a, where we go, USH-II. It's very hard to find, especially in normally you can find a card reader but with a wire. I don't want a wire. I want an adapter, so I don't want something tangling. Okay, micro and SD card. So here's the USB A and USB C. For example, can I connect with a case with my MeMix Fold? Oh, it's working. It's working quite nicely. I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you. Let me just take out like some kind of SD card to see can it work or not. For example, like something like this. Okay, let me put it again. Okay, what is this? Building unavailable. So yeah, it's technically working. I don't know why my Solar Explorer have to update, but technically it's working. Let me go to file. Okay, storage. Let me just open the full one. Okay, I don't know how to, where is the second storage. M drive TP cleanup storage, internal storage. Okay, let me go to solid file explorer, remove 14 drive. Anyway, let me just download it. Okay, file manager. What the F, I am offline, I have no idea. Anyway, overall it's a quite good product. I'm quite happy with it, to be honest with you. It's working, but I don't know why I'm offline. No idea. So let me just check out and let me go it again. Let me see my Wi-Fi. Can I see my Wi-Fi is connected? Okay. File manager. What file manager should I download? Can anyone tell me? Astro file manager. It seems good. And let me just download it. I mean, all is quite nice. I mean, it's a USH-II. Wow. I'm liking it. Okay. Don't share my data. Okay. Deny all. Okay, continue. Okay. Okay, I'm aware. Just do it. Like, wow, it's a weird for a Chinese company to have a privacy notification. Okay. Okay, are we ready? And let me just connect here. Okay, USB drive remove is connected. Okay, I wanna see in this one internal storage, files. So yeah, I mean, you get the point. It's a quite nice thing. I will recommend it. Subscribe and buy. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.